Yeah, fine. Today it's fine.
Okay. Jojo, just do let me know about yourself. So, where you're working, so what is your academic background, so
So,
what is your work profile. Hello. So, where you're working, like what is your work
yeah, I'm
profile?
working in Dubai as accountant in a mobile wholesale shop,
Good.
and I'm planning to move on to another job. That's why. So I see opportunities for SAP online.
Okay. So, is there any requirement like on SAP FICO? So, like, would you like to join? Hello.
Hello, hello, hello,
Joji.
hello, Joji Majo. Do one thing.
Please.
Hello, Joji.
Yeah, tell me.
Please click on that GoToMeeting link from your mobile. Is it possible for you? Yes, from mobile. You can see the screen in the laptop, and you can speak with trainer and through mobile. Is it okay for you?
Okay, one minute. How to connect that?
Okay, please click on that GoToMeeting link from your mobile. Can I send it through WhatsApp? That meeting link?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm sending the meeting link. Okay. Yes, I'm sending a meeting link. Please click on that link and select the computer. Yes, please select the computer ID also in the same.
Computer ID.
Hi Jojo, and this is Renka Jojo. So I am actually a SAP FICO consultant having 7 years of experience. So total I have done 2 implementations, 2 supporting projects. Okay. So right now I am working for the client Malabar Cements, which is for
Malabar Cements.
Yes. Okay. So Jojo, just do let me know how far you're familiar with the SAP. I mean, are you familiar with SAP product, or else I do my demonstration from the scratch. So based on you, so I'll do my demonstration.
No, I don't have any experience with SAP. I still now am working on Tally ERP 9.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay. No problem. Okay, Jojo. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. System applications and products.
Yes. So SAP, which is a ERP package. Right?
Yeah.
So SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing.
Okay.
So I told you already that SAP, which is an ERP package. So before going to know SAP, first we should know about what is ERP. Okay?
Okay.
So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay. Why we need Enterprise Resource Planning, or why we need to have ERP software in the organization? See, so before that, so in the normal non-ERP organization, so the organization structure is like we have the following departments like finance, purchase, HR, production, right? So every department needs information from the other departments in order to perform their functions. Suppose if you take finance department, they need information from the all departments to make the entries, right? So if you take production department, so like every department needs information from the other departments. So here non-ERP organization, what is happening here, every department is even though computerized, the data is available only for particular department only, not for all.
Okay.
Because they're using different departments are using different softwares of different companies. So we cannot integrate different softwares of different companies. Okay, so this is the main drawback we are having in the non-ERP environment.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to,
Yeah.
so I already told you, but in the ERP concept, we can easily integrate all modules, all departments.
Yeah.
How we do integrate, we can discuss later. Okay, so this is the main difference between ERP and non-ERP, right? So
Yeah. Yes.
already I told you that. So along with SAP product, we have number of ERP products like Oracle, BAM, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. Like that, we have number of ERP products. So if you take Oracle, which is specialized in the finance, BAM,
Yeah.
which is specialized in the production, PeopleSoft, which is specialized in the department of HR. If you take SAP, which is specialized in the all departments of the organization.
Okay.
And the level of integration we have with the SAP also very high when we compare with the other ERP products.
Okay.
So because of these two reasons, SAP becomes world #1 ERP product, and so that is the reason we have a lot of employment opportunities in case of SAP.
Yeah.
Okay, so now this SAP company, this SAP product has developed by SAP AG company, which is actually a German-based company. It has developed in 1972. Okay, so its headquarters are also Waldorf in Germany itself. So this SAP company introduced this SAP product in 1970s with SAP Orbital suite. So in 1980s, they introduced Orbit. In 1990s, they introduced Orbit 3 suite. What is Orbit 2 suite? I'll explain. Okay. So, but now we are having SAP Orbit 3 suite only, not Orbit 1, Orbit 2. These are totally outdated. Okay. So the present version of SAP Orbit 3 suite is ECC 6.0. Okay.
ECC.
So what ECC 6.0?
Okay. 6 months.
You want me to write it? Shall I write it? Yes.
I think it's just the latest version. Am I right?
Yes, this is the latest version.
Yeah.
So, and again, we have so many upgradation in the EC6. Now we are having EHP 7.
Okay. Thank you.
EHP 7. Okay. Right.
Now it's a
So,
EHP 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is OR by 3 suite? Okay. See, suite, before that, what is OR? So OR refers to real-time data processing. See, wherever you go now, we have the concept of real-time data processing. Right? Because if you go to ATM, so within the counting of your amount, you will get the updated statement. This is because of real-time data processing.
Okay.
So wherever you go in the railway reservation, airway reservation, wherever we go, we have the concept of real-time data processing. Since SAP is also using this concept, so whenever we update any information in particular department, the relevant departments also updated instantly.
Yeah.
See, for example, if you receive any material, when you issue any material in the material management department, system automatically posts the entries in the FI department. This is because of real-time data processing.
Yeah.
So, okay, so that is the reason SAP has incorporated with the word OR.
Okay.
Okay, so what is 3? So before that, suite I'll tell you. So suite refers to combination of, actually in English in meaning is combination of objects.
Okay.
So with reference to SAP, suite refers to combination of softwares. So within the SAP, we have different softwares to manage the different departments.
Okay.
Okay, suppose if I want to manage the sales and distribution department, I have separate module SD, which is developed by SAP. So like that, we have different softwares for different companies. So that is the reason it has incorporated with the word suite.
Okay.
So now what is 3? This is the most important to know. So 3 refers to 3-tier architecture. See, not only SAP, every ERP product, it works on the client server technology. Clients are nothing but small storage, servers are big storage capacity. Under 3-tier architecture, we have the following servers in SAP. So, hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So one is database server, application server, client server. So database server means what? So here we store the database of our organization.
Okay.
So what is database? We store, like, so what is the database? It records all transactions which are incurred in the organization.
Okay.
Say for example, Oracle. So we store the database, Oracle database in this database server in the first layer. Okay. So next, application server. Here we store the SAP programming logic or code. So it is necessary to enter the day-to-day transactions of our company. Okay. So here we have application server 1, 2 and 3. Why we have to have application servers, optimum number of application servers? Suppose if I have only one application server 1, what will happen? So every employee in the client place, they will access application server 1. So the processing load will be very high on that particular application server. So we'll waste of time to get the information.
Okay.
Right? So this is the reason it is better to have optimum number of application servers. How many? It is depends on the capacity of the organization.
Okay.
Okay. So next, so what is database? Here we store our database. Here we store the SAP software. Here client server. Client servers are nothing but these are desktops or laptops which can be used by the end user in the client base. So all these clients are together we can call it as client server. So by using these clients, the end user they will access the application server to enter the transactions. Okay, Juju?
Yeah.
Okay, so as we are having 3 layers, it is named as 3-tier architecture. Okay, see the main advantage of 3-tier architecture is we can increase or decrease any layer without disturbing the other one. See for example, in the organization today we recruit 5 employees. We gave them desktops.
Okay.
So in this case we cannot increase any application server again for those 5 employees. Okay, so we can accommodate them either application server 1 or 2 or 3. So this is the main advantage of 3-tier architecture. Okay, so coming to, I told you, no, so we used to have R by 1 or by 2 suits. In case of R by 2 suit, so we store the database application server in one server, client will be in the one server. So that is the reason it named as 2-tier architecture. In case of 1-tier architecture, application and database clients will be stored in the one server. So that is the reason that is named as 1-tier. So now we are having only 3-tier architecture. Okay, any doubts?
No, no, sir.
Fine. So next, coming to what are the models we have in the SAP? So we have functional models, we have technical models. So technical models, if you have any programming knowledge, technical networking knowledge, you should go for technical models, ABAP basis. Suppose if you have any relevant experience in particular department, so then we go for functional models. So if you learn any of this functional model, you'll get job as functional consultant. So if you learn any of this technical model, you get job as technical consultant. Okay, so what is consultant? See, with reference to ERP, we have 2 roles. One is consultant, one is end user.
Okay.
Okay, suppose today Samsung company is there. So this Samsung company, they won't implement SAP in its organization. So they approach the Wipro company.
Okay.
Okay, so here Wipro is the this is the consulting company. Wipro is the consulting company. So here Samsung is the implementing company. Okay, so in the Wipro, as a consultant, we will work in the Wipro.
Okay.
Okay, so as a consultant, we implement the SAP project for the client Samsung. So the people who work in the Samsung after implementing SAP, whoever use the SAP product in the Samsung, those are the end users, right?
End user. Okay.
Okay, they are the end users. As a consultant, where we work in the Wipro company.
Yeah.
So are you clear now who is consultant, who is end user, right? So here Samsung is our client, whoever working in the Samsung company, they are the end users. So here Wipro is the consulting company, whoever work in the Wipro are the consultant. I mean we. So as a consultant, we have to implement the SAP to the Samsung company.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Right. So coming to SAP methodology. So what is SAP methodology? See, SAP methodology means accelerated SAP methodology. See, SAP methodology. So, implementation of SAP project easy to discuss, but involves a lot of complexity and cost also. So, everything should be properly planned and documented. So, this document we can call it as SAP methodology. Okay? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So, while preparing this SAP methodology, we have the following sequence. We have to execute them one by one. So first, project preparation. So here in the project preparation, senior people from the client place and from the consulting company side, they will involve and they will define the what is the project resources, what is the landscape of SAP, so what is the hardware requirement we need, what is the budget resources, everything they will define in the project preparation phase.
Okay, project.
So after that, business blueprint. So business blueprint, which is the design document for the future RB3 system. Okay, so here we have two documents, as is document and to be document.
Okay.
1 second. So in the business blueprint, we have as is document and to be document. So as is document, which is prepared by the core team members. Okay, so it is prepared. 1 second. So as is document, which is prepared by the core team members. Again, who are core team members? So core team members are, these are the persons from the client place who have thorough knowledge on the existing business process of the client. Okay, so the core team members, they prepare the as is document. So there they will define what is the existing business process, what are the problems they are facing in the old software. So what they are expecting from the new SAP environment. So everything they will define in the as is document. Okay, so to be document. So based on the as is document, we have to prepare, I mean consultants. So as a consultants, we have to prepare the to be document. So to be document, here we have to study like what are the reports, what are the forms they are using in the existing business process, from where and how they are coming. Okay, what is their exact requirement in the new SAP. So what we are going to do in the new SAP environment. So we have to prepare the to be document. So based on as is a consultant, we have to prepare the to be document. Okay, so once these two documents are finished, then we go for next phase, that is realization phase. So realization means actual configuration will be start from this phase. Realization means actual configuration. So configuration means making the settings according to the client's requirement. So for realization phase, we have the following servers. I mean, we have three clients: development, quality and production. So in the development server, first we do the configuration in the development server. Okay, so first again here we have three clients: golden client, sandbox and development testing. So first in the golden client, first we do the configuration according to their requirement. So in the sandbox client, next we do the testing. Testing means whether I make some posting, I can check whether it is properly working or not on our configuration. Okay, next development testing. Development testing means here we have to perform some integration testing, whether FI model is properly working or with the MM model. So FI model is properly working with the SD model. So this is those type of testing we will have to perform. All will be done in the development server. See, if everything is fine goes here, then all configuration data which is moved to the quality server.
Quality server.
Okay, so here quality server, the again we have two clients here. See, suppose in the client one we can use, suppose if the core team members from the client place, if they want make any testing, they will do testing here.
Okay.
Okay, if they require. Actually, that is also option. Okay, so client 2 we can use for like for what to give the training to the end users. Okay, so once if everything is goes, then all configuration data, which again we will move to the production server.
Okay.
Production server, which is nothing but here the end user he will make the posting on the production server. I mean the end user he will make the day-to-day transaction in the production server, which is in the client place. Okay, so first we do the configuration in the development, next quality, and next production. So how the configuration move from one server to another server? Through transport request. So transport request, it is created by the basis consultant. So he will take care of managing this transport request. So what is the purpose of transport request means? We send the data from one server to another server, and by looking at the transport request, we can see what are the configuration we have done at each level. Okay, so this is the way we do the configuration.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts up to here?
So far it's okay.
Oh, fine, good. So next, final preparation phase. So final preparation phase means here we give the training to the end users in the form of seminars, workshops, and here we have to upload the data. Upload the master data. Master data means GL accounts, vendor master, customer master, asset master.
Okay.
So everything we have to upload in the final preparation phase. So after that, go live and support. So what is go live? Go live is the launching of SAP product in the client place. From that date, the end user is ready to make the posting on the SAP system. Okay, so what is support? Okay, after implementing SAP project, when the end user is working on the SAP, he will get the issues. So those issues as a supporting consultant, we have to solve.
Okay.
How long we have to give them support, it depends on the agreement between the client and consulting company. Okay, so this is about SAP methodology. Okay, so next, coming to what we have SAP FICO. Right, so FI stands for financial accounting. So in general, what is the purpose we use the financial accounting? The same thing we use in the SAP to meet our regular financial needs, right? To prepare the finance statements, right? So what are the purpose we use in the financial accounting? The same we use FI model in the SAP. And in the financial accounting model, we have the following sub-models. So general ledger accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivables, and asset accounting. Okay, so GL, general ledger accounting, accounts payable, receivables, fixed asset. So what is GL model? So here, this is a model here, it records the all transactions. Not only from the FI, from all other departments like MM, SD, from all the departments it records the entries or it records the postings.
See, MM means materials management, right? Or,
yes, right. Yes, material management.
And SD?
Yes, sales and distribution.
Selling and distribution, okay.
Yes, okay. Next, so GL model. So what are the postings happens in the throughout the organization? It records in the GL. So coming to accounts payable, what is accounts payable? This accounts payable submodel, it records all transactions which incur through purchases with reference to vendors. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, what are the transaction happens in the accounts payable? Again, system will update the GL model.
Yeah.
So for this purpose, we have to create some control accounts. We have to provide the link between GL to AP.
AP, okay.
Okay. So in the same way, accounts receivable. So accounts receivable means it records the transaction which incurred as a result of sales with reference to customer. Again, what are the transaction happens in the accounts receivable? Throw some like control account, system will update the GL module also.
Okay.
So in the same way, fixed receipt. So by assigning some GL accounts, okay, system automatically acquisition value of an asset and depreciation value of an asset, system automatically update the GL.
Okay.
Okay, so ultimately what will happen? So wherever transaction happens, ultimately it is updating GL model. So if you take material management, so any movements happen, any transaction happens in the MM, so through AP, accounts payable, it will update the GL model.
Okay.
So in the same way SD model, so through AR, it will update the GL model.
Okay.
So this is about finance model.
So, and what about liability side?
Liability side. So here we have to prepare the financial statement versions.
Sorry?
So here in the GL model, we have to prepare the profit and loss account and balance sheet.
Okay.
So liabilities, here actually we have to prepare some GL accounts. So all expenditure, all revenue, all assets, all liabilities accounts. Here we have to prepare.
Okay.
Okay. So posting will be done through GL accounts.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So all type of GL accounts we have to create GL. So the main code is what? GL accounts. Through GL accounts we have to update the records.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So next, controlling. So what is controlling? So in general, why we use cost accounting system to record the cost, right? So which happens in the production process. So based on that, we can fix the standard cost of our product. Right? So by using cost accounting system, we can analyze the cost like whether it is controllable or uncontrollable. Right? So this is purely management purpose. So cost accounting is purely management purpose.
Okay.
See, in case of financial accounting, here we have to prepare the financial statement versions like profit and loss account, balance sheet. These we have to submit to the legal entities, right? Shareholders or something. So here we don't have enough scope to create number of reports. So whereas in case of controlling model, it does not bind with any accounting standards and does not bind with any legal entities. So what are the reports we are generating under controlling model? That is purely for reporting purpose. That is purely for management purpose.
Okay.
So here we have now scope for create number of reports only for our management.
Okay.
So so again in the controlling model, so what are the purpose we use in cost accounting? The same thing we can use in the controlling model. Okay, see in the controlling model also we have cost element, we have the following sub-models. Cost elements accounting, cost centers accounting, internal orders, profitability analysis. So what is cost element accounting? So cost element accounting is, see I told you no, so in the GL module I have to create the GL accounts to make the posting. So how you can update the FI records? Through GL accounts. To update the CO records, we have to prepare the cost elements. Okay, so cost elements are nothing but what are the GL accounts we have created in the FI. Those GL accounts I have to create as a cost elements to update the controlling model.
Okay.
Okay, so those we can discuss in the cost element accounting. Okay, so what about cost center accounting? So cost centers means nothing but these are the departments, which may be production departments, which may be service, or it may be any marketing department. So under cost center accounting, we can discuss how we can track the each department wise cost. Suppose if I want to see the all cost centers data at a time, so that is possible by using cost center accounting. Okay, so what about internal orders? So internal orders we can use to see the cost of specific task at any time. See, for example, in the organization, we have 10 vehicles. So is it possible to create a separate GL account for each and every vehicle?
No, no.
No. So we won't create any separate GL account for each and every vehicle. We create only one expenditure for all 10 vehicles, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because if I want to see the vehicle-wise expenses, is it possible?
Sorry?
If I want to see the vehicle-wise expenses separately, is it possible in the FI?
Weekly wise means for one expenditure, I think it's only one is possible.
Yeah. So we have only one expenditure for all vehicles. So when an expenditure incurred on any vehicle, we use only that expenditure. So in the FI, it is not possible to track each vehicle-wise expenses, right?
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's interrupting in between.
Yeah, okay. So what I'm asking, so in the FI part, if I want to see the vehicle-wise expenses separately, this is not possible, right?
Yeah, it's not possible.
Because we use only one GL account for all 10 vehicles.
Yeah.
You are not maintaining separate GL account. Okay. So if management, they want to see separate vehicle-wise expenses, what they will do in the controlling, we can create the internal orders.
Okay.
So for each vehicle, I can create one internal order number. So like that, I can create 10 internal order numbers. So whenever any expenditure incurred, I use that order number. So by using that order number at any time, I can track the expenses vehicle.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is about internal orders. Okay. So what is profitability analysis? So profitability analysis, this is only reporting tool. So by using reporting profitability analysis, here we can see the profitability on different segments. See, for example, if I want to see the plant wise, sales organization wise, company code wise, if I want to see the profitability, that is possible through profitability analysis tool. Okay. See, in our course content, first I'll go for finance module, then I'll go for CO. After discussing internal orders, I'll go for integration part.
Integration. Okay.
Integration means FI with MM, FI with SD. Okay, actually in the why we have to integrate the FI model with MM, FI model with SD. See, suppose if any transaction happens in the MM or SD, if those are any account affectable, system automatically update the FI. So for this purpose, as a FICO consultant, I have to create some GL accounts, which is required by the MM and SD consultants. I have to create necessary GL accounts. I have to assign those GL accounts for automatic posting purpose. So what will happen? Any transaction happens in the MM or SD, system automatically update the FI. So that is the reason we have to integrate the FI with MM and SD.
SD. Okay.
So actually our part is only creation of GL accounts, but I'll cover entire MA module and SD module also. What is the organizational structure? So what is the configuration we do in the MM SD also? Apart from FI, I can discuss MM and SD also. And we can work on the integration part also.
Okay.
After that, I'll go for profitability analysis. So profitability analysis, here we need to get the values from all the models like FI, CO, MM, SD. So then we can work on the profitability analysis. Okay. So this is about our course content. So like FI, CO and integration. So apart from that, I'll discuss some other topics like closing procedure. So what are the ending at the fiscal year ending? What are the closing procedure we do? How to upload the master data?
Okay.
Master data means actually we have number of GL accounts we have to create. We have to create number of vendors. We cannot create one by one. So we have to use some tools which are available in the SAP system. So we prepare one Excel format. That Excel format we have to upload into the SAP system by using some tools. So that also I can discuss. Okay. Any doubts up to here?
See, so far it's okay. If you can just revise from the beginning, it will be okay.
Yeah.
Then just show me
yeah.
Just show me from the beginning how you from the beginning. Just show me.
Jojo, your voice is breaking.
Just let me to review this one from the beginning. Say that FICO part onwards.
Oh, this one again.
Yeah, just possibly.
What review? I didn't get you exact. So shall I repeat it again?
Just a review, just a speedy
Okay.
one.
Okay. So, I told you no. So we have the three-tier architecture, right?
Three-tier system. Okay.
So we have database, application server, client server here. So we have three servers. So database means here we store the database. Application server means here we store the SAP.
Okay.
So client servers are, these are the desktops, laptops which is used by the end user in the client place. So we use the three-tier architecture in the SAP, right?
Okay.
So coming to, I already told you, no, so R by 2, R by 1, those are totally outdated. We are having only R by 3. So we have functional models and we have technical models.
Yeah.
Okay, so next, what is the ASAP methodology? So project preparation. So business blueprint means here we have as is document to be document. So realization, actual configuration will be start from a realization. For this purpose, we have the three servers. First we do the development server, then we go to the quality server, next we go to the production server. Okay, so this is the way we do the configuration. Next to final preparation. So what we do in the final preparation, we upload the data, master data. So after that, go live and support. Right? So coming to financial accounting. So these are the submodels we have. Like I told you, GL, AAP, AR, fixed asset. So coming to controlling. Cost elements, cost centers, internal orders, and profitability analysis. So these are the submodels we can discuss. So apart from that, we go for FI model with FI model with SD also. Okay.
This is
Yeah.
integrating part, yeah, right?
Yeah, integration.
Integration. That one golden sanding, something like that. And I mean the realization.
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
This one, that one. The
Mm-hmm.
golden sand was used in that.
Mm-hmm.
Please explain that one. 1 second,
Shall I?
please.
Okay. So in the golden client, first we do the configuration. Configuration means first I make the defined organized structure, master data. So after that sandbox. Sandbox means I'll make the posting.
Okay.
Transaction data means I'll make the posting. I check it on configuration data whether I have done it properly or not. So development testing means I told you know FI integration with SD, FI integration with MM. So FI is properly working with MM or SD. So those type of testing we have to perform. Here all consultants will do the testing.
Okay.
So quality server. So quality server we use for giving end user training. If board team members they won't make any testing, they will come and they will do testing in the quality server. Next to production server. So production server is nothing but it is available in the client plus they will make the posting, the end user. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. How long the session will be? Every day, say 1-to-1 or 1-to-many?
It depends. Like what is your available time? Just do let me know. Based on that, we can discuss.
See, how many sessions are there total?
Total, Joji, if you want daily 1 hour session, is it like 45 days?
45 days.
No
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday. That's because first I'll take like class like 1 hour only. So 1 hour. So if you are okay, if you are familiar with the SAP screens, then I'll increase the time like 1 hour, 10 minutes like that.
Okay.
So if you are in rush means I can take daily 2 hours also. That is not a problem. So that is up to you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Joji, any doubts?
So far it's okay. I'll review once again and let you know. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
I walked down here.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Joji. So before
Okay.
that, so what is your available? So what is the time you are expecting? Like your convenient time?
The thing is that my work starts at 9:30 in the morning,
Okay.
and we have a break in the noon from 2 to 4:30.
Very good. Okay.
I think it's better to communicate at that time, 2 to 4:30. 4:30 means I'll be available at 2:30 to 4, 1.5 hours. Or we'll have to conduct in the early morning.
Oh, early morning is okay. Okay, that is okay. So we can manage. So early morning before you go into office, right? So you're telling?
Yeah, yeah.
So that is also my time is like 8
Because
a.m.
in between this break, it depends upon the customer availability. If more customers are
Yeah.
there, I won't be able to
Yes.
take the break.
Okay. Okay. So we can have morning if you're okay. Okay. So the remaining things they will contact you. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Joseph.
okay. Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.